guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TG for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review, I will be reviewing this gorgeous unit that I have on today, sponsored by the company CelieHair. Along with that, I will be reviewing some products sent over by the Janet collection. And yeah, so let's go.
How you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. Touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lit bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lit bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lit bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. and they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain just fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain just fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain just fly so high? Yeah.
Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about this gorgeousness. Okay, sorry if I'm looking this way. It's on this computer screen and the monitor is right here for the camera and the camera's area. So if I'm looking away, I'm getting the specs for the wig. Okay, thank you, CelieHair, for sending over this unit. Thank you for entrusting me, giving you my honest opinion on this gorgeous, beautiful unit. So this unit is the Shortcut 13x4 lace front body wave wig, 12 inches, and it can be found on their website. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. It has undetectable HD lace, and it can be colored because it is human hair, baby. Yes, it is. So, along with this gorgeous unit, I used some products from Janet Collection to get my edges laid, slayed, and baby ready to go nowhere. But that's besides the point. It did do the job. Can you see? Lace wear. Janet Collection, you got your girl hooked up. So they sent me over some products. Let's go ahead and take a look at them because I had to come up close so y'all can see these edges, these baby hairs. And now that you said, let me go ahead and fix right here. It looks like my makeup coming off. Why you didn't tell me that? Y'all watch me do the whole review and then say, hey, Auntie TC, fix the shebang in the front. Now I can't. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Da, 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 da. That is better. Okay, let me stop. So yeah, so now that we talked about this unit, thank you, Janet Collection, for sending me over these products to test out for you. And they sent me over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Am I telling a lie? Keep me honest, Janet Collection. You did send over 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The first product we'll be taking a look at is the Esha, I think that's how you say it, Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute. It's a daily glueless lace spray lace wig bond. It's fast drying, 24-hour hold, and safe on all skin. See what it looks like. They also sent over the Esha, I hope I'm saying that right, Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Daily Edge and Lace Mousse Foam Edge Tamer. It's a foaming mousse, tames frizz, define curls for all hair types. Boom. They also sent over by the same person. I'm not going to keep butchering her name or his name, I don't know. It's a lace wig bond remover for effortless clean removal, which we ain't gonna test on camera because I got a few things to do with this look, honey. I ain't gonna just take it out. I mean, I ain't going nowhere, but I gotta take the pictures. Okay, the next one is the collagen and vitamin infused guard and grip primer. Improves adhesion, protects hairline, grows edges in the vanilla scent. Designed for all skin types, hot and humid weather, sweat and sensitive skin friendly. I'm gonna test this again because Texas, y'all be it's cold. Texas was hot today. Okay, it was hot. I'm not complaining because I don't want snow, but baby, it was hot. Okay, last product they sent over, which I tested 2 Sundays ago, and it hooked me up. I needed that. Okay, and this is the Absolute Lace Wand Lace Wig Glue, water resistant. So it comes like this, and then you tap tap tap, and then, you know, if you want to put your little thingamajiggabob over while you're in the car, because that's what I had to do. I used another brand, we're not going to talk about them, to lace lay my edges. Got to church, honey, and it was boop, 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 boop. I'm not about to sit in the front row for the pastor to be talking about me. Janet Collection, you got your girl hooked up 2 Sundays ago when I was going to church. Thank you, girl. So yeah, that's all I have for this wig review on this unit. Oh, what am I give it? What would I give this unit? Length 10. Color, I'm not really a big fan of black hair. I don't know why. I think because when I was in the military, we could only wear natural hair colors, and I had to be the rebel. I wanted to wear color, knowing doggone well I ain't never all colored my hair. Just because they told me I'm not supposed to wear it, I want to wear it. So that's why I don't think I'm really a fan of black hair. But baby, it look good on me, don't it? Look, yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this wig a 10 because I love the length. I love that it's human hair. I love that it doesn't have flyaways. I love the part, very natural, and I love that Janet Collection sent me over these beautiful products to get me laid, honey. Look. Yep. So I'll give this one a 10. Yeah, might wear this to church on Sunday. You see? It holds curls very well. You see it? Yeah. So yeah, so that's it for this review. Oh, more about the company. They also give you a 10% coupon, which I'll leave down in the description below. I'll also leave the link so you can purchase the wig if you are interested in it. And y'all better purchase this unit, because why you not gonna get it? For what? Tell me. Tell me in the comments you're not gonna get it and why you're not gonna get it. Yeah, beautiful wig. Y'all should get it. And it's on sale. I don't know how much, but it says it's on sale. They're not gonna lie to me because they said it's on sale. Go check it out. Get this unit. Let me know if you got it. It's beautiful. Yep, Yanni. Beautiful. Okay, that's it for this unit. If you got to the end of the review, you are the real MVP. And don't forget to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. Why did I go out of order? But y'all know what I mean. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like on your way out, a smiley face, a heart, anything. Just let me know you watched the video and you enjoyed it. And see you in the next week. Bye.